Vistas exhibition and as mentor of Shutterbugs Creative Forum, I extend to you all a very warm welcome. This exhibition is very unique. Shutterbugs has presented thematic exhibitions on portraiture, on landscape, on macro and nature. But this is very unique because the theme here is a state, Kerala as a state. But there is a challenge. Kerala cannot be shown with just 15 pictures. My 15 Shutterbugs have made a humble attempt to showcase Kerala in a nutshell with 15 pictures. I also take this opportunity to thank Kabir, here, Samir and the team at Farmchimp for giving this opportunity to Shutterbugs to exhibit for the third time. Thank you. I also thank Mr. Konesari for consenting to inaugurate our exhibition. Yeah. Where is your Nambiya? Come here, come here. They all want to see you with the shots. We all appreciate his efforts in making this a reality. Thank you. Our coordinator, Baiju Vijayan. Baiju Vijayan has done a very incredible feat here, very memorable, and I commend you a lot for being the coordinator of this exhibition and for the time he has spent.
We cordially invite Mr. Kolasiri to inaugurate this one.